Hey guys, this is Mike Jett, and I'm an artist. In doing my vocals, I decided I need to do a vocal booth, and they cost a lot of money, maybe almost up to $1,000. So I'm trying to figure out an inexpensive way of making a vocal booth. So I ordered some foam from Amazon. I bought a Japanese curtain. I'll show you that in a second. And what I'm going to do is my idea is to put the foam on the Japanese curtain, close it off, make some type of a sort of a top to it, and have this cool looking vocal booth, that I could actually do vocals in my home, and it should work out. So what have you done so far? Okay, so I got the big old box from Amazon. I'm going to be using the cardboard to create a frame for the foam, so when I double stick the foam to the Japanese curtain room divider thing, it'll be semi-permanent, and you can take it down and reuse the foam later if you want to use it that way. But I don't have to make it semi-permanent. I can make it permanent. But anyway, so we got four 24 by 48 2.5-inch acoustic foams in this box right here. Okay, so I'm in my studio right now, and this is what I'm talking about, the Japanese curtain. You've seen these before. Room dividers, 4 panels, like that. I got this on Craigslist for about $40, brand new in a box. And it's gonna be, what my idea is to put foam on the inside, all the way down. And then put my microphone stand inside like this, and then create a top on top of like here. Okay, so we're outside, and because I need some room to cut the foam. Okay, so now we have the cardboard panels drawn out. They're going to be the backs of the foam cutouts. All right, so we're going to got the glue here. We're using this. It's upholstery adhesive, bonds to carpet, fabric, foam, and vinyl. And we're going to be spraying in the back the foam. This. I guess you should do this outside, don't do this inside. Ooh, look at that. Well, that works. And we can still trim it too. So look what we got here. We got a foam panel. Here's one. So we're going to do the rest of them. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape these panels together like this. So when I put it up on the actual curtain, little divider, it sticks, and it's going to have 5 points of contact with the double stick tape. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See, got 1 over there on top, 2, 3, 4, and 5 over here. Check this out. So I'm going to do this tape. Hold on. Okay, so here's the panel. Nice long panel, and we're going to attach it. yeah, I wanted to build this vocal booth, and I wanted to give you a chance to see the difference. Well, hear the difference between what it sounds like. I'm in my regular room, which is it's the regular room noise, ambient, stuff like this. You got the phone pretty far away, so it looks like a regular bedroom, that type of thing. And say like there's a bunch of noise outside. I remember I took that little shield thing that I had, and now I made a booth. So when I'm talking, let's see here. When I'm talking, you should hear the amplitude get louder and more mufflier. It has more of a muffled type of a sound when I get inside the booth. See, here we go. So now I'm inside the booth, and it just feels like, the microphone, since it's a cardio mic, all the sound that's picking up is from behind the microphone. Now, that's no longer an issue because it's completely surrounded by the soundproofing. And inside the booth, you can do vocals, and it's awesome. Really, you don't even have to be this close. I can actually turn the microphone up more, so I'm getting a stronger, louder wave, quieter and louder. Yeah, when I do vocals in Ableton, that's what I'm using my DAW. So, success? Yeah, absolutely, 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 absolutely. In the vocal booth, it's about to touch it in my height. So, usually I'm kind of about this far from it. Sometimes I lean in a little bit, because I like to do the vocals. I like close miking, so when I'm close miking, it's definitely awesome. So that's what you get when you make a booth. You can even tell right now, it's just going from here to already in here. You should be able to hear a significant difference in just how much more quieter it sounds versus the mic being in the room. As you can hear my voice, and you hear my voice inside the vocal booth. That's my sweater rubbing up against the phone. But yeah, that's what you get. So yeah, vocal booth, DIY, definitely worth it. Anyway, give me a question, hit me a link. I can show you links of stuff that I bought. It'll all be in the description below in the video so that you at least know how I did it. Okay? Anyway, subcode out.